How to remove account center from Instagram. Hello everyone, my name is Smal and in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove the Instagram Meta account center from your Instagram application. So make sure you have installed the latest version of Instagram on your device. After that, simply log into your Instagram account, go on the down right section with the profile link on it, tap on the three vertical lines right there, tap on account center. Now tap on the profile that you want to log in. After that, simply tap on your profile, tap on your Instagram profile. So this is the Instagram Meta account that you have logged in from the Instagram. So to delete it, what you can do is simply tap on the account center, and then you can simply tap on accounts, and then you can simply remove the account, respective account that you want to remove from the very account right here. So this is the account center, and by tapping on this you can choose the account that you want to remove, and you can simply remove the account just like that. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and comment on our comment section below.